counting also happening for Uttar Pradesh's Panchayat elections. Now, Meher joining me now from Dadri. Meher, can you hear me?
So we're here at Dadri counting. Yes, I can hear you.
So Meher, just the question being that these elections, this counting is going on, and remember, counting in Uttar Pradesh is a huge task in our most populous state, facing the highest number of cases, deaths which are not even recorded properly, the deaths are likely underreported, and yet counting is happening. This, as the case went to the Supreme Court yesterday. What's currently happening around you?
Right, so we're at Dadri counting center. This is one of over 800 counting centers. As you can see, there is a small area outside for people who are here to attend the counting session. But if you look inside, the crowds are swarming. There are government teachers inside who are conducting the counting, and people who are here to see the results are swarming around them. No social distancing is being followed. This is especially concerning because teacher unions have just said that over 700 government teachers have lost their lives to COVID due to their election poll duty. And now they actually threatened to boycott counting entirely, but they didn't do it because of Supreme Court guidelines that said that strict social distancing needed to be followed at all counting sessions. But here you can see these guidelines are not actually being followed. For some reason, this center has a lot of open space outside. There's a huge courtyard where the policemen are standing and the officials are standing. But the actual counting is happening in very small, closed rooms where crowds are swarming. Some of them actually told us earlier that these doors were being closed on them, which the logic of that hasn't been explained yet. You can see these barricades that have been put up to keep people inside these rooms, which is very confusing in this time when there is lots of ample space outside, where counting could have been conducted in open areas, where social distancing and other COVID protocols could have been managed. But we also know that another requirement is that everybody who enters these centers needs to be tested before they come in. But so far, we spoke to the COVID health center over there, which conducts these tests. Only 25 tests have been conducted today, and all of them antigen tests, which are the less accurate tests. RT-PCR tests are more accurate. They said that everyone else has had tests done through local health centers, but those are also all
in fact, you are right, Meher. And I'm just looking at these visuals here. Just look at these visuals here. I hope the State Election Commission knows that this is exactly opposite to what they promised the Supreme Court yesterday. In fact, the Supreme Court is watching these visuals. This is a completely super spread. I mean, look at those people crowded together inside that room, that closed room. As you can see, the visuals your camera person is showing right now. Just look at those people stacked together at a time when Uttar Pradesh is facing literally an explosion of COVID cases, complete lack of medical supplies, beds, oxygen, and the deaths being reported. People there with masks off. In many cases, you can see there, no double masking in a closed center. This absolute, I mean, we seem to have learned none of our lessons. As I said, I hope the Supreme Court is watching these visuals because what the State Election Commission told them is just not happening on the ground. Thanks very much, Meher, for that update. You please stay far from them, wear a face shield because this is just not looking good at all. Let's go across now back to Srinivasan Jain. Srinivasan, I think really the reality of what happens on the ground, we've seen in various states in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, even in West Bengal, it looks much more orderly. But just look at what's happening in Uttar Pradesh, which is going to be the next big corona bomb, as we can see already exploding around us.
So worrying. Those visuals that we just saw was so deeply worrying, especially as we've already seen lives lost in Uttar Pradesh of polling officers who've died because of the coronavirus right through this period. And now again, we're seeing a very similar kind of super spreader like hothouse situation. So that's something that is going to be of deep concern in Uttar Pradesh.